KeySplint Soft by Keystone Industries is a unique biocompatible 3D printing resin for NIGHTGUARDS and splints that is FDA 510K cleared for sale in the US and is also available in Canada, the EU, Australia, and New Zealand.
The thing that makes this so different and unique from other 3D printing materials is the unique chemistries that we have formulated allow a solution to really what has been the biggest problem with NIGHTGUARD and splint material in 3D printing, and that is brittleness.
Keystone offers two shades of our splint material. KeySplint Soft is an open source version with a slight violet tint and is validated in a growing number of DLP printers. KeySplint Soft Clear for carbon printers is a water clear version that is optimized exclusively for the carbon digital manufacturing platform. Bruxism has an adverse effect on a person's physical and psychological well-being. This disorder can add 10 times or more pressure on teeth, which impacts approximately 20% of the population. Currently, there are 10 million TMJ patients in the United States alone who need splint therapy. Like a hard splint, KeySplint Soft is tough and durable and able to withstand the forces of bruxism. Unlike a hard splint, KeySplint Soft is not brittle and remains flexible for patient comfort with tremendous abrasion and fracture resistance. It is also easily cleaned and maintained by the end user.
I don't think you can do that with any splint material on the market. So, perfect, without a doubt one of the best splint materials I've ever come across.
The new Keystone Soft Splint material really checks every box on the list for us, and that's why we're going to be deploying it for a number of our new workflows.
Do yourselves a favour, get a decent printer, get the material, and start printing. It will change the way you run your day-to-day laboratory.
It's strong and durable enough to withstand bruxism, yet at the same time it's soft and flexible because we know that the patient needs to be comfortable as well.
KeySplint Soft is made in the USA and has 3 years of guaranteed shelf life. The formula has long-term color stability with a translucent and aesthetic appearance. It offers a highly efficient and streamlined way to manufacture splints and NIGHTGUARDS with significantly reduced labor and material costs.
From a value perspective, KeySplint Soft is a complete game changer for end users, whether it's a laboratory or a doctor. There are thousands of dollars of profit in every bottle of KeySplint Soft. It's a win for everybody, and that's what's so exciting about it, is to create something that's so beneficial and so helpful to so many different people in the value chain.
KeySplint Soft is more than just a new material. It is the power of 100 years experience in the dental industry. We're excited to bring our expertise, passion, and quality to the world of digital dentistry. Join us as we lead the industry into the future with Keyprint Precision 3D Resins.